Okay guys, so we are here. The remodel is complete. We're doing the final clean, getting the last couple things out. I thought about painting the outside here, but ended up going against it just because it was going to be quite expensive. And as you can see, none of the other houses here in the neighborhood have been painted either. So I didn't want to be the only painted house. I think it would help in the long run, but I didn't want to do that for right now. So easy thing to do later on. So coming into the house, we've got new carpet on the stairs, as always. I love doing carpet on the stairs. It's a lot cheaper than doing the hardwood, and it's safer, so you reduce your risk of liability. You can see we've got new paint on all the handrails, all the doors, new hardware. The bathroom is complete, new toilet, new holders for the towels, sink and vanity, and the medicine cabinet. New floors, new receptacles, new cover plates, new vents. We've got everything in here. The only thing I'm wishing that I would have done sooner would be replace this door and this window. Those both need to be replaced at some point. The door is basically non-functional and the window is just in really bad shape. So I wish I would have done that sooner before I had the sheetrock guys in here and the painters, but it is what it is. Sometimes you make those little mistakes and you learn, and it's not a huge deal, but something we're gonna need to fix. New appliances, always make sure to check and measure the fridge, make sure it fits. We had to do a little bit of cutting there on the cabinet to get it to fit. It was about a 1/2 inch too tall. New range, new hood, and the microwave that was here, we're just leaving that for them. So this combo right here used was about 1,100 bucks, a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but for stainless, right now with how the appliance market is, things are just a little bit expensive. Here's the countertop that we redid. If you saw my other videos, this was 250 bucks to redo this countertop here. It's the old Formica. The old Formica was really torn up, but this actually looks pretty dang good now. So we got that all taken care of. Looks really, really good, I think. We're gonna have laundry right here. Also did new laundry hookups, as well as new hookups for all of the toilets and the faucets. So that's something I highly recommend doing if you're already gonna be replacing laundry and whatnot, then you're gonna wanna have to do that. We got some new piping in here as well. So that all looks good. Let's go check out the upstairs where the bedrooms are at. This is gonna look mostly the same as well. New hardware, we reused that since it was still in pretty good shape, but paint on the doors, new doorknobs, just a closet there. Bedrooms are pretty simple. Really, we just did paint, floors, baseboard, all the receptacles, and a new light here. And that's pretty much it. So the bedrooms are pretty easy. This one looks the exact same. And this bathroom here, looking really, really good. Medicine cabinet. This bathtub we also recovered. This was 300 bucks, I think, to recover, reglaze the bathtub here. So it's looking really good. If you want to see what it looked like before, go check out the short video on my channel and you'll get a look at that. So vanity's looking really nice. Really happy with how things turned out. And then we've got this bedroom here as well. So that is it, guys. Didn't really do much to the backyard or anything. Didn't need to. So we got away with a pretty good remodel here. I think all in all, we're gonna be over budget a little bit, which I expected. I was hoping to get everything done for about 13,000, but I think we're gonna come in at about 15 or 16,000, but that's okay because I put 16 grand into it and I'm gonna get probably about 30 to, I don't know, depending on the appraiser, 30 to 50 grand in extra value out of it. So we're gonna go through and do a cash out refinance, and I'm actually gonna be able to pull out 100% of the money that I put into this property. So that's gonna be one of the cool things that we're gonna talk about later. Exactly how I did that, how I bought this home with the 1031 exchange, tax-free, and then I'm gonna be able to do a cash out refinance and get all of that money out and still own this property, as well as be able to go and purchase another property with the roughly $100,000 to $115,000 we're gonna get out of this home. So that's the remodel, guys. After this final clean, somebody's ready to move in. and we're ready to start making some cash flow. So we took the rent on this unit from about $1,225 per month, and it will be renting for about $1,600 per month. So $375 is not a bad investment in return on money. Thanks for watching.